have you thought about what we have to do against the Pandavas?
Yes. Pandavas.
Strategy, Bhandu.
Actually, comparing to us, Pandavas are very less. We are 100 and they are 5. The main thing we want to think about is there is Krishna on their side. And
Yes.
they have some more brave warriors on their side. But if we control the 5 of Pandavas, then all other will come into our control and we can win the battle easily. Okay. Now we have Karna on our side and he can manage the Arjuna. Both are well in bow arrow battle.
In whole scenario, in those pictures, we can see daily activities, daily rural activities.
I have created like story, this whatever I have seen in picture. It's like there is one family. In that family, first of all, wife and husband is there. Wife is doing her work as usual and husband is helping in household work. Rarely husband helps in household work, so he is helping. So it's very good sign in that picture that husband is helping.
Okay, so I will tell you a word right now and you have to pronounce it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, CHILD. What is it?
Child.
Child, right? What is the initial sound that is coming out?
Sure.
Ch. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing when you are speaking that ch? What is the tongue touching? Let's see. Now I have already told you about the place and manner of articulation. We have sent you the PPT as well for you to see how these sounds are produced. I will be producing sounds and you have to look at it. I will be putting it with my cursor as well. So
this minus V and plus V is denoting what?
Voiceless and voiced.
Okay, sir.
So now the vowel sounds. Now consonants are produced by obstructing the air in our mouth. You know, you obstruct the air somewhere in your mouth to produce a consonant sound. Vowels, on the other hand, is produced with a free flow of air. The air is not obstructed anywhere in your mouth. It is the free flow of air that takes place, which leads to the production of vowels. How will this happen? I'll tell you in the coming slide.
You all are in your sleep, and in your dream, there is a person. Okay? Can you see? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the person who will be talking to you. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. Do you know me?
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Do you know me?
Yeah.
No?
Yes. That's why you are in my dreams.
My name is Filler.
Okay.
My name
Okay.
is? What's my name?
Pillar.
Pillar.
Filler. Yes. Sudarshan Chakra. Yes. Okay. Okay. Tanuja is Sakuni. Okay. And
Well done.
I just know that instrument. I don't know who else is carrying that.
Sir, I am stopping Brahmastra.
okay. Why the communication was not successful when the other person was
Uncooperative.
uncooperative? Why?
Uncooperative.
Please tell me.
The topic is not related to both.
Okay, the topic
Order.
is not related to both. Okay. Shubha ma'am?
Proper information is not provided.
Okay, proper
Avoided.
information
It's not provided.
is not provided. Shubha ma'am?
This topic is not avoided.
What?
A lack of interest or mutual interest, kind of.
Okay. Lack of interest.
Mutual interest.
Okay, lack of mutual interest.
Yeah.
इसको उसको डिलीट कैसे करें?
So maybe the two of them are disliking each other. Maybe
Yes.
then also we have a
Okay.
or miscommunication also there.
Lack of mutual interest. And then
Or disliking among
Disliking was the
themselves.
one. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Disliking among themselves.
okay. So
Unnecessary informations are there.
okay. Disliking unnecessary information.
Others, if you would like to add something, those who have not added something.
Purushottam, Tanuja, Amit, Shobha ma'am.
I thought
Yes.
of that of nature.
Not in proper order.
Okay,
Not in proper order.
not in proper order.
Order.
Tanuja, Purushottam. This point, the activity second one, the activity 2, which we did today about the twist in the conversation, we followed this paragraph. Okay, you can think of the reasons why someone might be uncooperating in conversation. Maybe they are being interrogated for information they don't want to give up. Maybe they hate the person they are talking to. Maybe they are just crazy. Okay, then I talked about the notion that people are generally cooperative while talking. So these 2 points were discussed at that time. Yeah, thanks. Now I would like to ask to the group 2 itself that what did they observe about their performance? Yeah.
Interruption was more.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
There
time
Politeness was missing, I guess.
and that interruption was uneven interruption.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Politeness was missing.
Somewhere at a
Yes,
debate
sir.
side.
Politeness was missing between us.
Yeah, I agree.
Sir, it has become something like India wants to know.
Nation wants to know.
Heated debate.
Agree.
Apurva,
500
we are
Thanks,
only
Apur,
four
for
teachers.
making this point clear. Actually, I
No,
didn't know.
here we are only 4 teachers. Okay,
No, but
We
we
are-
are not dealing.
and
But
we are
500,
already in 2
actually,
groups.
in the real scenario,
Where are the
but the
other 9
actual scenario,
teachers?
four
We are
teachers can.
Yes,
They
yes,
are they are they are with other webinars. They are attending other webinars.
Oh, acha.
yeah.
Are you ready to go, Priyanka ji? Okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Fine. Start.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. So I came up with one of product for especially for youngsters. Nowadays, youngsters are dealing with many skin problem. Girls and boys, both of them, they are dealing many skin problems. So I thought to make one customized cream for that. So it is going to be, so it will be helpful for them. So I just went through many things by seeing many things in net and researching in many things. After that, I came up with this a product called Skin Craft. I found it. I guess it will be very good for skin because first of all, I have decided this will be customized. Customized means we will assess the skin type, what type of skin they are having.
Okay. Do you like horror movie?
Yeah, it's my favorite genre.
Okay. And which type of movie do you like most? Horror, except horror?
Comedy, thriller, and suspense.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all. Today we are here to promote our movie Ayyappanam Koshiyum, which is directed by me and the star cast are Prithviraj and Bezu Menon. I don't take much time. Just I will explain the key points of this movie, why you want to release in your theaters or why you want to launch on your site. This movie is basically action, drama, comedy genre, which attracts a lot of audience. By that we can get huge audience for our movie, and we picturize this movie in natural scenario. There is it is very beautiful locations. The picture was picturized, and it will also attract lot of audience. And the fight sequences are performed by the actors itself without any dupe, and it was also picturized in a very neat manner. And songs are already released, and it got a huge success. And the dance and song picturization done in well manner, and in classical dance is also introduced in this movie. And our hero Prithviraj also have huge fan following, who will get lot of collections in first 4 days itself. So you people can release, only you people can release our movie, because it has all positive ways and it will get huge success. It's my wish on my side. Thank you all.
Is this right idea or not?
Sorry to say, I think this is not a good idea. One thing I would suggest, what we can do, we can make the programs interesting. We can prepare some ground reports on real issues. What are the
I would
members?
totally disagree, Amit sir, because our channel is running totally out of TRP. So I think we should, at least we should shift our programs towards entertainment, cinemas, and other things what's going on in our country. According to me, we should shift towards other things.
Yes, sir. I do support Tanuja, ma'am, because people watch TV nowadays for entertainment only, because their life was full of stress. They need entertainment in TV. So going for entertainment oriented programs is very well. I think so.
Yeah, I guess he's saying right. Yeah.
And one more thing, what I want to say is, we can plan every task in entertainment way. Even farmer program also we can plan it in entertainment way. Then we can attract farmers also from outside.
And also we need to categorize everybody who will be working in which section. Like Tanuja will be working in agriculture section, and Deepak sir would monitor all these things. Earlier he was not doing that. And Priyanka ma'am will be working in the education sector. Is that a good idea?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right idea.
That's a good idea. Our burden will be less by doing this.
But because of this workshop, this class attending, I improved myself a lot.
Yes.
And I learned a lot of things from you. From the starting day onwards, I learned a lot of things from this. First one, I learned how to pronounce the accent of vowels, consonants, and how to stress the words in sentences, and where the word should be silent, where the letters should be silent. I learned the main thing is silent R. Information is the mistake I have done every time. But now, after seeing this, I came to know that it's information. R is silent. Yeah. That's it. Following in group discussions and performing, it all makes me very well. And all went through fun way. That's the very nice view on your side.
Yeah.
I studied this line. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember.
Yeah.
I do and I understand. Actually,
Yeah.
that's that you have done in this thing. Everything gone through the participation and activity based. That's very nice.
Both of you had make my life really amazing as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, what I observed, that I learned a new technique of managing the things, how to go with that, because if everyone is here in a hodgepodge way, and you have to arrange that things in a very I can say that a maximum of manner, quality, quantity, and relation. So with these things, I can put it in a good manner. And one thing I also learned here, that time management and how to go with that, and you can do the best one and smarter work, smarter thing. The most relevant part of your teaching was that your observation was really very nice about each and every participants.
I tried spelling clearly and cleared my hesitation. कहना ये चाहेंगे कि आपका जो मेथड था पढ़ाने का, लर्न का, वो अच्छा था, बहुत क्लियर था, मतलब फेस टू फेस हम होकर एक दूसरे को समझ सकते हैं, उनकी बातों को समझकर आंसर दे सकते हैं, और फिर जो बात हम कहना चाहते हैं उसको आप समझते थे कि कैसे हम उसको कह सके या अपनी बात को विचार को रख सके।
Overall, I can say that you both were very supportive for us.
मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ऊपर थे, मतलब बहुत अच्छा टीचिंग था आप लोग का। आई गेस मैंने अपने स्कूल में भी ऐसा टीचर मुझे नहीं मिला जैसे आप लोग ने पढ़ाया, बहुत अच्छा था, मुझे कोई खामियां तो नहीं लगा।
That's it. All the best for your future projects.